In this module, we will review what notifications are, how notification profiles and triggers work together with rules, how to prepare the system for notifications, how to view and edit default notification profiles, and how to test and acknowledge notifications. Enable N-Central sends alerts when there are changes in the status of monitored devices. These alerts consist of a notification profile and a trigger or triggers. The notification profile includes who to send the alert to, when to send the alert, and what conditions escalate, number of recipients, and notification frequency. The trigger details what service or services to monitor, which device or groups of devices to include. Notifications are triggered by changes in a service state in the rules applied to the notification. Any devices associated with the rule are included in the notification profile. Notifications can be internal or external. Internal notifications are sent to technicians or others responsible for managing the network. External notifications are sent to customers to alert them to service issues. Notifications can be scheduled so that specified users receive notifications during set time periods. Notifications are first sent to primary recipients. A first escalation is sent when a notification is not acknowledged or the status does not return to normal. A second escalation is sent when the issue continues without resolution. Different users, such as managers, can be identified to receive escalation notices. Only users selected for each level of notification will be notified. If the primary recipient is not identified to receive a first or second escalation notification, they will not be included in alerts on that individual status change. There are three types of notifications. Single device, single service notifications. This is the recommended notification type. Enable N-Central generates a notification for each service on each device, regardless of any notifications currently active. Use this option unless you need to suppress multiple tickets on a device. Single device, multiple service notifications. This triggers an alert for the first of the services covered in the notification and suppress alerts for any other services that are included in the same notification. Multiple device, single service notifications. This produces a single notification for each service, regardless of how many devices running this service fail. If a service fails, no further alerts will be created for this service on any other device until the problem is resolved. This should be used with care and is not recommended. The profile type cannot be changed once it is set. If the profile type needs to be altered, the entire profile must be recreated.